Barbie. Today, we're gonna make a Lego film set. Hit on the description below and click the bell. If you like this new Lego craft that we're gonna create today, just a new movie that we're gonna explore Drawbrick. Watch all my movies to the series. Now, my assistant's gonna give me all my Lego pieces for the belt. Let's take out all the parts. So here's the assistant give us. We need to break it. Depends what piece of needs. Today we're gonna create a snowfield that the fighters, a robo fighter fights. First we need this type of line, and we add on the bottom this thing, so make it holding up on the bottom. Sorry, that's a mistake. And take this. This is gonna be the black rubber. So this little thing is gonna be the river. We're gonna reconnect the plates, and we can reconnect the plates and add this part over here. Add the part over here to make it captured ice. But if you don't like this outfit, choose a new piece model. This is the perfect option for you. If you like a subscriber, you need to make it super tight to the magnet, and you need to add this part over here as a snow float. And we have your series of the nature. Add this for a little bit snow. And you should add all the assembling parts right around. This part is the longest one. Put it right under here and put here in the next one. Put it in here and add this. And before we are done in our structure, we should add this brick to make it capture to the gap. We don't want to our snow get covered all. We should add a couple of these leaves to make it more liveful. If you don't have one of these, just create on your own. Maybe someday you can create on your own river bank. And this, we're gonna add it as a separator to make it a wave. And we need to add this brick over here and another one up here. You see this line? That first, we're gonna add this separator over here so the water flows slowly. And this feature is right over here to make an ice. And these things are gonna cover the whole Antarctica sea covered in ice. Now let's bring our characters on the movie. First we need to add this on the movie. These are the other parts that we're gonna need. Well, I pick up all the robots that we need for this movie clip. That's hey, where's the other robots? All the robots. And this robot is really broken in the next part of the movie. Just need to wait for it. He should look pretty scary and taller. So I'm just gonna transform it back to its own real life mode. The angry mode is that mode. And the normal mode is the light mode. And connected these ball joints. You can spin it. And of course, this thing is stuck over here. I did turn it into many vehicle and drive animals. We can use this separator because it had no foot. And the next guy, he's very cute. He's gonna say he's very cute. So we're gonna take this on the separator to the next. He's the bad character in the movie. By Flick. We're gonna add him on the back, and the big guy So the cute guy goes right around here on this point.
Show to the camera.
And we're gonna add this as a part shooter.
Yeah, show to the camera.
And we're almost done. And the movie, oops,
Just right here.
the movie. Take a look at what we created now. You see, he's dead. No, he's dead in the movie. And fell down into the
Just
river.
focusing here.
Focusing the camera on conflicting, not.
Then round it.
You see, there's no
Ah.
gap. You need to take on each film. So always download a movie app. Don't you know anything about the Lego Movie Maker? It had a camera over it. You can create your own movie. A frame. Did you know how a frame works? Take another picture and another and cut it. You get a picture and in real life, it's a movie now. So you can exactly small emotion. So if the robot tries to kill this guy, he's undead and fell into the river. All you need to do is add in the next film and add another and another in the film. And again, Out's videos are really amazing, fun,
Just look at this.
and links to comment below. And keep always watching all my videos. And thank you for subscribing and clicking the bell. Bye.